July 20th. The amazing National Moon Day. Every once in a while, the human race achieves something truly remarkable, and National Moon Day celebrates the occasion when we first left footsteps upon our nearest neighbor. When Neil Armstrong stepped down onto the moon's cratered surface with the words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," every nation on Earth seemed to breathe a collective sigh of relief. National Moon Day celebrates not only the historic lunar landing on July 20, 1969, but the day also reminds us of the uphill slog to get the space program literally off the ground. On National Moon Day, we remember both the quirky and profound moments in the space race that ended with the Americans being the first to plant their flag on the moon. Stick around, the story is fascinating. American astronauts Neil Armstrong and Edwin "Buzz" Aldrin became the first humans in history to land on the moon on July 20, 1969. The grand Apollo 11 mission took place 8 years after the national goal announcement by President John F. Kennedy to send a man to the moon by the end of the 1960s. The idea for the mission to send astronauts to the moon started when President Kennedy appealed to a special joint session of Congress in 1961, stating, "I believe this nation should commit itself to achieving the goal, before this decade is out, of landing a man on the moon and returning him safely to Earth." At the time of Kennedy's proposal, the United States was still head-to-head with the Soviet Union in advancements in space exploration and, since it was during the time of the Cold War, the proposal was welcomed. The first unmanned Apollo mission was initiated by the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, NASA. After 5 years of effort and hard work by their international team of engineers and scientists. The first mission served as a testing phase for the structural resilience of the launch spacecraft vehicle. At 9:32 a.m. on July 16, 1969, the whole world witnessed Apollo 11 take off from Kennedy Space Center with 3 astronauts on board. Neil Armstrong was the commander of the mission. The spacecraft entered the lunar orbit after 3 days, on July 19. The lunar module, Eagle, disengaged from the main command module the next day, manned by Armstrong and Aldrin. When Eagle touched the lunar surface, Armstrong radioed his historical message to Mission Control in Houston, Texas, "The Eagle has landed." At 10:39 p.m., Armstrong exited the lunar module and made his way down its ladder. His progress was being recorded by a television camera attached to the module, transmitting signals back to Earth, where the world was watching with bated breath. At 10:56 p.m., Armstrong stepped on the moon's powdery surface, and spoke his iconic words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." As we see, in recent times, mankind have started to see more space programs initiated, so we could start to see more space activity from now on. This has been made possible because NASA has partnered with commercial companies in order to ensure that there is the funding needed to keep these projects going. SpaceX is a prime example. Owned by Elon Musk, this company designs, manufactures and launches advanced spacecraft and rockets. Their aim is to colonize Mars, and we have seen a lot of incredible innovations that they have brought to the fore. If you do not know a lot about this, we recommend using some of your time on National Moon Day to find out more.